Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to make the upcoming events container of this screen, and which is home screen. And in the previous video we have made the top container of this screen, as you can see on the right side here. So let's start and build the UI of this upcoming events in the Flutter. So here is our code, and about the code, you can get the starter code in the video description below, and also get the completed code too. So let's move forward to make this upcoming events container. So in the main screen we have home screen widget, and in this widget we are make the components of home screen. So here we will make the new container, which is upcoming events container. Okay, so this is our top container. So first of all I will wrap this into a column, because we are need to put the upcoming events below the top container. So I will wrap this into a column. And after the top container, here is our top container. And here we are going to put upcoming events container. So first of all, we need to show upcoming events and see all text. So for this, the row widget will be good. So I will put. And here we have icon to the right of see all. Yes, here we got arrow right. So Control S to inject the code in the flutter.vm and see the changes. So here upcoming events and see all is shown. So here we need to put some margin on the top of it. So here I will use sized worst to make some margin here. Okay, and the next thing is about the font size. First of all, we will do the alignment work, then after that we will work the further nitty-gritty details of this. So make this space between these items. I can use the expanded widget. So the purpose of expanded widget is to cover up the whole space which is available, cover up the whole empty space which is available in a row. Actually, I will wrap the first upcoming widget with expanded. Okay, so what's happening here? The upcoming events text will take all the empty available space which is in the row. So the next part is about the margin between horizontal margin or padding. I will need to wrap this in a container and set margin edge insets symmetric to horizontally, and it would be good. Okay, so I think little bit more, so I will double this and see. Okay, now it's good. Next, need to apply the font changes and color things. So upcoming has larger font size and bold, semi-bold maybe. So for that I will use style property and set it to text style, and size would be around by default size is 14. Where is mentioned actually by default is 40. You can see in the further details of it, and I will make it 18, and weight would be semi bold would be good. Medium, semi bold. Control S to sync the changes. So here it's showing some error. So let's see style. I need to put the comma before this. So now it's good. Okay, and now I think I need to increase the size a little bit and decrease the bold part. So here I will use W500 and make text size to 20. Okay, so now it's reasonable, so just need to put some margin above it. So for margin I am using sized box, so to make it 30. Okay, and the next part is the uh, horizontal scroll view, which shows items in it. So to show the item horizontally we will use list view. So but before using list view I will first make the this item, and then after that I will put that item into a list view to scroll horizontally. So before that I will refactor some of my code, like here I'm showing top container, so I will make us extract a widget from it named as top container, and put this top container into a separate file in home widgets. Here I will put this file. create a new file top container.dart and copy the code here. Okay, so the next thing is I'm working on this list part here. Where it is. Okay, so in this we have an image, and on image on right side we have a bookmark icon, and on left side we have showing the date and month, and after that here is a title and people which are going and the location here. So we will start with the upper part here. So for that we need to we need this image. So I double click on it and see further to get the image, and yes, here image have been selected, but okay, the image has been selected and here is the image. So export it, and the second image too. So double click on it, go further in it and see that image, export, and there are multiple images here, but only first one is showing, so we will download these all these images. Okay, see, and next we will copy these images into the assets folder. So first of all I will need to name these images. Control Z to back in the previous design. Okay, so first image, and copy this into the images folder, assets and images. Okay, these are shown here. So here we are going to show the horizontal scroll list. So I will name it as upcoming lists, upcoming events list. For list we will use list view, but before that we will make this item first, then put this into a list view. So I will, for that I will first use an image. use double M in it, so I will stay with it and Control S. I think code is not synced, maybe there is an error. Okay, I need to import the top container which I previously moved to another file. Okay, now it's good. Okay, so image have been set. I think I have done changes in the top container too, so I will need to save all to sync all the changes to the Flutter Dart VM. But still I haven't seen the image yet, so let's see the log and see that have we got any information here. So what's it say? Okay, but what if I restart this? Okay, so we got the image uh, widget here, but it's showing some errors that not able to load the image file. So what's the mistake that we are doing here? CONN upcoming assets slash images slash upcoming. The name is good, but it's still not fetching the image. Okay, so let's see in the prospect file, have we mentioned this assets path in the project? Assets images. Okay, it's good. It's good here. So the next will be to verify the name. So for that I will copy this and search in the project. Okay, we have the image too, but still we are getting this error. So let's restart this again. Still getting this error that it's unable to load the asset from the assets folder. So we have double checked the things about the path, name, and the pubspec file. That here all the things are correct, but still not able to load the image file. So this is sometimes happen. So for to resolve, as we have already double checked the things in the code and structure wise, so the next step would be to stop the app and run it again.